Google just released Firebase Studio, and here make your app the best can be with the Firebase and generative AI. Okay, and what you can do, simply you can just click on that, try Firebase Studio, go back here and just continue, accept that, continue. So now here there are flexibility where you can just create your app, front end and back end also together, right? So there is a couple of options over here. This here everything is there, the template they're providing. So whatever things you want, so like .NET, front end, Android, so those are actually give the flexibility. Even they are giving that promote, and based on this actually also they can create your app. So for that, first what you can do, just me ask, okay, create a quiz app, okay, and just promote it. So they are giving some points, whatever things they want. If you want, you are okay this along with these things, so you can just okay prototype this app. Now finally application got created using this Firebase Studio without any environment setting and all. So just give that answer. So I'm just putting that answer, Delhi, submit. Okay, so it is giving that prompt because it is asking me they required actually enter the Gemini API key or or Google API key. So you can just get that API key from Gemini API, and then you can give it over here. Go to Google Studio, yeah, Google Studio, get API key, create API key, Google project. Let me Gemini API or just Gemini API. Create a key, copy the key, go back, add this over here, continue. Okay, so once you give that API key, it is completed, and then you can just give that answer. Okay, let me answer like, okay, Delhi, I'm just giving the wrong answer. So it is saying incorrect, right? It is perfectly fine. And then it is another second question, what is the highest mountain world? Like 2. It is also wrong answer, so also giving that this things. And largest ocean in the world, I don't know, right? And hit enter, it is wrong. And then finally I can get that quiz, right? That is score. So this is actually just create a one prompt using the Firebase Studio, and also there is a many flexibility over there which can give you the create application along with this particular all that platform, right? So whatever the .NET, if you want .NET mobile app and any app like backend, front end, so it is a great flexibility it is providing. So yeah, just try it, and thank you.